You would have been inundated with an ocean of content revolving around OpenAI's great new product, ChatGPT. It only took the greatest chatbot ever developed 1 week after its first release to amass 1 million users, and it appears that each of these 1 million users has written something about the chatbot in some form or another. I will not add to the effusive praise, incredulous responses, or even apocalyptic scenarios. Rather, I will concentrate on one intriguing component of ChatGPT: will it take the place of search and unseat Google as the industry leader? A good number of captivated users appear to hold this belief. Welcome to Crypto News. Today, we will discuss if ChatGPT will change the internet. Stay with us until the end of the video to learn more. Like and subscribe to this channel and hit the bell button to get notified of all the latest updates. Let's jump to the topic. The most recent iteration of artificially intelligent chatbots, ChatGPT, is by far the most amazing. Since its launch 2 weeks ago, it has already amassed 1 million users. This milestone was reached in just 5 days. Because of the extremely high volume of users, its servers have repeatedly reached their maximum capacity. OpenAI, the startup that was responsible for developing it, is already being spoken about as a possible competitor to Google. Why use a search engine to find anything up when ChatGPT can create an entire paragraph describing the solution to your problem? There is even an extension for Chrome that gives you the ability to perform both at the same time. But what if we can never uncover the mystery that lies beneath ChatGPT's capabilities? The chatbot uses various technological advancements that have been disclosed in open scientific literature throughout the past couple of decades. But any inventions unique to it are secret. OpenAI may construct a technological and business wall to keep competitors out. Indicative capabilities and limitations. ChatGPT is a powerful tool. Do you want a chatbot haiku? Sure. Robots that can have conversations are incredibly enlightened. Processing forever. Solutions emerging from nothingness. What about a bot-related joke? Sure, no sweat. So, the chatbot has to cross the street, but why? That's why I'm crossing over, to the other side of your computer. You can do a lot more with ChatGPT than you might think. It can generate code according to user specifications, prepare legal documents like leases and contracts, do student assignments like essays, and even take and pass tests. It's just as crucial to know what limitations ChatGPT has. For instance, it has difficulty telling the difference between fact and fiction. It can also be very convincing when lying. Determine the quickest marine mammal. The sailfish is the fastest fish in the ocean. As opposed to popular belief, sailfish are not mammals. The sailfish is not a mammal, as you correctly pointed out. I'm truly sorry for the oversight. The peregrine falcon is the fastest aquatic mammal. ChatGPT helps you quickly and easily type out messages like the autocomplete function on a mobile device. Words on your phone are automatically completed thanks to its training from a dictionary. Because of its extensive training on the web, ChatGPT can now finish not just sentences but entire paragraphs. But it doesn't know what it's saying, it can only anticipate the next words. Locked and only accessible by name. Publications in the peer-reviewed scientific literature have accompanied recent AI progress. When the Google Brain team, based on ChatGPT, constructed the BERT neural network in 2018, its methodologies were published in peer-reviewed scientific papers, and the code was made available to the public. Additionally, in 2021, the most significant scientific development of the year was the protein folding software developed by DeepMind called AlphaFold 2. Because of this, researchers worldwide are free to use the program and its findings in their efforts to improve the fields of biology and medicine. Only a brief blog post is available outlining how ChatGPT functions after its release. No indication has been made that the code will be made publicly available or that a corresponding scientific paper will be published. Learning about the business that developed ChatGPT can help shed light on why it was able to remain under wraps. OpenAI is one of the more unusual Silicon Valley startups. It was founded in 2015 as a philanthropic organization with the mission of advancing beneficial artificial intelligence for the benefit of all people. $1 billion was pledged by Elon Musk, Peter Thiel, and other prominent IT figures. Their logic was that we couldn't rely on private corporations to create beneficial AI as technology advanced. Therefore, the development of AI had to be undertaken by a non-profit and, as the term implies, in an open fashion. To compete with other digital giants, OpenAI changed its business model in 2019 and accepted a $1 billion investment from Microsoft, turning it into a capped-for-profit firm, with investors limited to a maximum return of 100 times their investment. Money seems to have hampered OpenAI's efforts to be more transparent, taking advantage of customers. In addition, it seems that OpenAI is leveraging user input to weed out the phantom responses ChatGPT imagines. OpenAI's blog claims that the company first implemented reinforcement learning in ChatGPT to penalize poor answers and fakes by manually creating an expensive training set. However, ChatGPT's over 1 million users are currently fine-tuning the service. I can only imagine the high cost of acquiring such detailed human feedback through any other means. There is now the possibility of a major AI breakthrough employing techniques not documented in the scientific literature and datasets restricted to a business that looks to be open only in name. If not here, then where? The last decade has seen significant progress in artificial intelligence, mostly thanks to the openness of both academic institutions and private companies. The majority of our AI technologies are freely available online. That, though, may be coming to an end in the race to create more advanced AI. The rate of progress in AI could stall if researchers became less willing to share their findings. New monopolies could emerge as well. And if the past indicates the future, we know that a lack of transparency in tech environments is a catalyst for bad behavior. So, although we continue to praise, or criticize, ChatGPT, we shouldn't ignore the context in which it has emerged. The exact thing that seems to signal the golden age of AI could mark its demise if we aren't attentive. If you made it to the end of this video and are interested in knowing more, let us know which part of the video you liked the most in the comments section below. We will appreciate your comment and work to make a video on your desired topic with an account shout-out. Please like and subscribe to the channel. Hit the bell button to be notified of our next video. Thanks for watching.